See, for standard 10th, chapter 5, exercise 5.2, sum number 13. A quadrilateral has vertices at A minus 4 minus 2, B 5 minus 1, C 6 5, and D minus 7 6. Show that the midpoints of its sides form a parallelogram. So, see, these four vertices are vertices of a parallelogram. So, no condition in the parallelogram. So, it is a four-sided figure. Here, in this case, you have to show that the midpoints of its sides. So, each side we are getting the midpoint. That is, let me mark P, the midpoint of AB as P, the midpoint of BC as Q, the midpoint of CD as PQR, and the midpoint of AD as S. First you find the midpoint. So what is the midpoint formula here? Midpoint formula here is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So first let me find midpoint of AB is equal to P. So x1 minus 4 plus 5 by 2, y1 minus 2 plus, but here it is minus 1, don't put plus, so minus 1 by 2. So this is P is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. This is your P coordinate, midpoint of AB. Next is midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC. Midpoint of BC that we marked as Q. So Q. So 5 plus 6. Both are plus. 5 plus 6 by 2 minus 1 plus 5 by 2. 5 plus 6 is 11 by 2, 4 by 2, minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So still you can simplify this. Q is 11 by 2, 4 by 2 is 2. Next side, midpoint of CD. Midpoint of CD, that we mark it as R. So take CD, 6 5 minus 7 6. 6 minus 7 by 2. 6 minus 7 by 2, comma 5 plus 6 by 2. So R is minus 1 by 2. 6 minus 7 minus 1. 11 by 2. This is your R. Next is midpoint of AD. That we mark it as S. Take the coordinate of AD. Minus 4 minus 2 minus 7 6. So minus 4 minus 7. Minus 4 minus 7 by 2. Then minus 2 6 plus 6 by 2. This is y coordinate of both the points. So S is minus 11 by 2. Then minus 2 plus 6 is 4 by 2. That is S is minus 11 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. See, now you mark the points here in your diagram. P is 1 by 2, comma 3 by 2. Q is 11 by 2. 11 by 2. Y is 2. Y coordinate 2. R is minus 1 by 2. 11 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 11 by 2. Then S coordinate is minus 11 by 2, 2. minus 11 by 2, comma 2. See, now you join the points here. Join PQ, QR, then RS, and then PS. We have to show this PQRS is a parallelogram. So let me write the coordinates separately. Here PQ, P is here 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Q is 11 by 2, comma 2. Then R is minus 1 by 2, 11 by 2. S is minus 11 by 2, comma 2. We have to show it is a parallelogram. So that means PQRS. That means we have to find the slope of all the four sides as we have done in the previous sum. So slope formula, write slope formula. Slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Find slope PQ. Slope PQ. So in that case, take PQ. x1, y1, x2, y2. So as you have practiced, you can just substitute the values. y2 is 2 minus 3 by 2. That is plus 3 by 2 divided by q is 11 by 2, then 1 by 2. So 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So that is, here you take 2 as LCM. 2 2s are 4. Then plus 3 divided by 2 LCM. 11 minus 1. So 7 by 2 divided by 10 by 2. So two fractions are divided means one numerator you write as it is. Then denominator fraction you write the reciprocal. 2 cancel. 7 by 10. The same way you take the next side slope QR. QR. So QR. Q is here, R is here. So y2 minus y1. 11 by 2 minus 2. 11 by 2 minus 2 is divided by x2 minus x minus 1 by 2 minus 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 11 by 2. Here 2 LCM, write just 11 as it is. 2 2s are 4. Here 2 LCM minus 1 minus 11. So here 11 minus 4 is 7. See, just you can cancel 2 as you have practiced here. So this is denominator and here denominator. When they are reciprocal, you cancel this. So 7 by minus 12. Next is slope RS. Slope RS. If you want, you can write the point separately or look into the figure and write R and S. y2 minus y1. 11 by 2 minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus, so plus 11 by 2 here. So 11 by 2. 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 11 by 2, that becomes plus 11 by 2. Here 2 is the LCM. 11 minus 1 divided by 2 is the LCM. Minus 1 plus 11. So the answer is 11 minus 1 is 10 here. See, just look into this. R and S. PQ, R, S. See, 11 by 2 minus 2. See, here one small mistake here. Actually, this is 2. Here, 11 by 2 minus 2. So 2 2s are 4 you will write. So in that case here you will get 11 minus 4 is 7, minus 1 plus 11 is 10. So answer is 7 by 10. Next is slope PS, last side. PS, take the P coordinate and S coordinate here. Y2 minus Y1, 2 minus 3 by 2. 2 minus 3 by 2, so that is plus 3 by 2 divided by x2 minus x1. So here minus 11 by 2 minus 11 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 2 LCM, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 divided by 2 is the LCM, minus 11 minus 1. So 2 2 gets cancelled, 7 by minus 12. So look at the slopes here. The first slope PQ is 7 by 10. The same opposite side RS. So slope PQ is equal to slope RS. Slope RS. Next is slope QR is minus 7 by 12. The same minus 7 by 12 is here. So slope QR is equal to slope PS. So you can write the value also minus 7 by 2. For RS here 7 by 10. 7 by 10. 7 by 12. Therefore, PQ is parallel to RS and QR is parallel to PS. Therefore, PQRS is a parallelogram. That's what we have to prove, is a parallelogram. Thank you.